Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health and lives. Friends, my today's video is creative, unique and eye-catchy because in this video I am sharing a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your shirts, kurti, gown, kameez, long length shirts, medium length shirt or a short length shirt with the art of hand embroidery to look more creative and unique. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my content for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, all of the designs are extremely trendy, attractive and eye-catchy, and they are very easy to make at the same time because the hand embroidery lovers, the hand embroidery artists, the persons who are beginners of embroidery or they are in search of hand embroidery beautiful design ideas and at the same time they are easy to make, then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you and this platform is absolutely for you. For more creative and unique patterns, do explore my channel. We have separate playlists for every type of category to entertain our viewers and YouTube friends and family members as well. The whole blend of different color combinations like soft and cool colors for summers, like bright and attractive colors, and darker shades for mid seasons, for intermix seasons, and different type of fabric material could be used to make all of these very beautiful and trendy outfits as well. The all new designs have a very beauty and elegance, creativity, and all of them are entirely new, never tried before, and this is a special gift for the 2023 Eid festival as well. You can do the art of machine embroidery as well to make these patterns more creative and unique. I hope that you have enjoyed the ideas. The colors are of different themes and different range so that all shades and all color family lovers could get entertained and they can see the design of their own choice. You can use thread, anchor, DMC, silky thread, wool and sewing thread as well to embroider these patterns. For watching more creative stuff and more creative fashionable DIY hand art, hand embroidery, silk embroidery, crochet, knitting, fabric painting and many more creativity related to hand art, subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Don't forget to leave comments so that we could get to know what you feel about our content.